sensitive, he should be funny, and he should have a sense of humor and a bit good looking.
He should be beauty with brains, as in beauty average looks चलेगा, पर brains it is necessary, एकदम blank type का नहीं होना चाहिए. And third thing, humorous.
पर्सनालिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, केयरिंग होना चाहिए, स्मार्ट होना चाहिए. इंटेलिजेंस तो ऑब्वियसली मैटर करती है. ह्यूमर ह्यूमर ह्यूमर.
Should be taller than me, and he should be fair, and he should have a good job, and he should earn well.
Obviously tall, dark and handsome. Personality, intelligence, smartness, good looks, flirting होना चाहिए थोड़ा अच्छे से, और that's it.
Good looking to some extent. Obviously every girl want कुछ तो looks होने चाहिए.
पहले से ही सोच के रखो कि भाई पता चलना चाहिए कि ये लड़की पट सकती है या नहीं पट सकती, तो ही उसे पसंद करो, नहीं तो नहीं पसंद करो.
Please do not pretend that you're macho, that you're cool, that you own aviators, that's why you're cool. So just don't pretend, be yourself and try to act normal. Like अगर नई बाइक ली है तो you don't need to flaunt everywhere.
Don't overreact, don't show off.
उसको पहले से बोल कर रहे कि मेरे को फ्रेंड एज अ फ्रेंड नहीं रहना है, मतलब तो थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग से फ्लर्टिंग वे में उसको रखोगे और थोड़ा फ्लर्ट करोगे तो फिर फ्रेंड जोन नहीं होगा ऑब्वियसली.
Please use syntactically good grammatical sentences. I didn't knew if anyone says that guy is surely bhai zone or friend zone, anything. And please do not be a despo as they call it.
Don't be touchy and all.
Don't be a meetha.
Guys, don't be fake, so you'll be friend zone rather than getting bhai zone.
Sometimes, boys suggest girls, you should stay away from this guy because he's not good or something like that. That makes them bhai zone. No, but I'll want gifts on both of them.
No, not at all.
ऐसा कुछ मैटर नहीं करेगा कि वो रक्षाबंधन पे प्रपोज करता है या वैलेंटाइंस पे, क्योंकि फीलिंग्स मैटर करती है, नॉट द डे और द डेट.
It won't be because until and unless I love the boy who is proposing me, day doesn't matter.
Obviously, if you're proposing me on Raksha Bandhan, have some common sense, dude.
No, it depends on person, but if the person is good and there is a love and feeling with him, it will never be different.
It depends on the guy who is asking.
If it is on Raksha Bandhan or like Valentine's Day, if I like the boy, it would depend on my feelings to him, just on that.
No, it's not. I guess even Rose, like वो क्या बोलते हैं, एकदम बस की टिकट के पीछे लिखी हुई पोएम it also do. So, but just the emotions and feelings matter, nothing else.
Yes, obviously.
No, not at all, because every day is a Valentine day, as per my view.
सो मच तो नहीं, बट ऑब्वियसली मनी स्पेंड करना इज लाइक हाँ वर्थ होता है.
No, you do not have actually a day to celebrate your love.
If someone is there with you, you can spend, but it's not necessary. Even Rose can do that. What costly gifts cannot do.
Yes, it is. Because you get a special day where you can propose to your someone special and do something good for him or her.
Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not, because it depends on the girl you're proposing. No, I think if you have love, if you have feelings for each other, then you can make every day a Valentine's Day. You just don't need any particular day to express your feelings or something. So every day is a Valentine's Day. You have 365 days in a year. Come on, enjoy every day.